scrapper's magnet, and get these magnets out of a microwave. You get 2 of them in a little magnetron. Got a couple over here. I already stripped it apart, but there'll be a magnet on each end right here. One on that end. Got to be careful with them pieces right there, you don't break them. But anyways, get these magnets out. I tie a couple of them onto the string. So you drop screws on the ground, just drag it around, let it pick up all your screws. Works pretty good. Save you a lot of trouble with breaking your back trying to bend down and pick them up. Pick you up a nice handful of screws and bolts and springs and who knows what. Keep them on put them on my bumper, so when I'm scrapping I got something. Got them up on my wall here. Bit different. My cutting wheels are magnetized to it, and so they come in handy for different things. Some knives and cutters over there. But they're never ending. Got this big old stack of them the other day. Did 3 microwaves. Microwaves are real common. You're going to find them quite often. I think on eBay, like a set of 10, 12 of them, 15 of them are like $10, $12. So I got quite a few of them. So that's just a quick short video on these magnets out of the microwave. Every scrapper should have them a magnet like this. When I work on my truck trying to put some screws in, I'm worried about dropping them down into my motor. I'll put this right up underneath, put a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them right underneath what I'm trying to screw in, and I drop that screw. It usually gets caught on the magnet that I put. I don't have to go digging around trying to find it on the ground or in my motor. How many times have you done that? But that's it. Just a quick short video on some magnets there. I need to clean this mess up again. It gets dirty quick. Y'all have a great day. See ya.